Also, I wouldn't say fun fact, but we are not real cousins. We're not. Hey guys, so welcome back to another cooking episode after 6 months. But anyways, I am here with my bestie.
Go best friend.
We is cooking today. We cooking a little steak. We cooking a little shrimp.
Broccoli, mac and cheese.
Steak and shrimp.
And then freshly made strawberry lemonade.
So if it comes out bitter, she made it. So blame it on her. Okay, so yeah, we finna start cooking.
Okay, let's get into it. What should I do? I never did a cooking video before.
Oh my God, wait.
It's my first time doing a cooking video, so.
This is really her first time really doing a real YouTube, video. No, but we're gonna start. Oh my God, we cooking. This is my favorite. I really put my foot in
made
this.
cornbread good one time, and then he missed the cornbread, man.
No, I really cook it real good. So yeah, let's start. Let's start with the oven stuff first. We already got the water boiling for the noodles.
It's been a while. Your last video was what, 6 months ago?
6 months ago.
Yeah.
So I'm finna make my world's famous
Child.
Jiffy cornbread. Mind you, I'm cooking and making this YouTube video and styling at the same time.
You go, boy.
Who doing it?
So my best friend, she has a takeout restaurant in Philly, and in the beginning I used to work there. So that's how I know how to make freshly made strawberry lemonade.
I don't know, do some people, I think I said this last time, I really don't measure. I don't think no black person measure anything.
I do.
You do? I feel like you can measure liquids.
I do sometimes. Oh no, I don't measure seasoning.
Yeah, seasonings, you kind of eye that shit out.
We have a few months left of
the new year
2022, and then we're going into a new year. So Shaq, what's some things that you want to like do before the year ends? We literally only have like 70 something days left, right? 70, I think.
I don't really have a specific on what it is I want to do. I want to get myself rolling for my reality show. Mm-hmm. Make sure I purchase the house. Mm-hmm. And start saving money. And I'm not going to say that's my, New Year's resolution? Yeah, no, bitch, that sounds so stupid. This is called multitasking. Let me show y'all. That's not my phone. Going back to styling.
That whole bowl finna fly in the air.
I do it every time. I think last time I had made hamburger helper, and
it was so nasty.
I started adding all different types of cheeses. Cause you know when you do hamburger helper, it'll only give you like a portion of noodles.
It'd be enough.
No, because I be wanting extra noodles in my. So I went to go and added elbow noodles, and
it was so nasty, y'all.
And in fact, I added more noodles and I needed more cheese.
It's like, who messes up hamburger helper?
That's what happens when you start doing extra shit.
Now you gotta watch Shaq though when he be cooking, cause he don't want nobody to look at him because he be sneaking put all types of stuff in it. He puts his own twist onto everything.
Sure do.
Now why would you do that?
Ooh, Miss Noodles finna overcook. I like to cook my steak and then put it in the oven because when you put it just does something to the taste of it. Oh, and another fun factor, but not really even a fun fact about me, I like to make a lot of dishes. Some people
oh my gosh, he'll be cooking one simple meal. He'll use all the dishes, all the pots, all the pans, all the bowls, all the spoons. It's like, what are you doing? And then, just a kicker, he don't like washing dishes.
I don't.
So the whole sink will be filled up with dishes because he didn't use everything. He's horrible. Let's see if I can juggle.
Yeah, but if you're gonna juggle, you gotta juggle with 3, not just 2. So go ahead and juggle, and I'm gonna throw this onion in.
No. Like what?
There's no. Okay, you know what? Start off with the.
Bitch, let me see you juggle with 3. He's saying like he know how to do it.
You got okay. No,
I cannot juggle with 3.
You use the biggest items there is. Not even with 2.
I think I just started cooking more recently, or at least trying, because at one point in time I did not cook at all.
We really don't cook.
But we really don't cook. But I try to cook more than you.
But my schedule, like once I leave the house, it's no way that I'm coming home and cooking. Because I'm literally gone at 11 and back at 7, then still got to do my dogs by the time I really get in bed.
But when I was working out and going to the gym, I was coming home and cooking. But we eat out every single night.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If that, even if I even get 3 meals in.
And I'm tired of eating the same stuff. It's like we need new food to come out.
But we just went food shopping.
We did not go food shopping.
We got snacks. We really just buy snacks.
We went snack shopping and beverage shopping. Because honestly, truly, we really just be needing like stuff to drink because we order out. We're gonna be ordering.
We about to have a lemonade stand in this bitch. Also, I wouldn't say fun fact, but we are not real cousins. We're not. That's my god sister. But we literally been together since like fucking 2.
I think we started, I don't know if we started calling each other cousins because people didn't know what god sister
and god brother is here in Miami. So we'll just be like cousin.
Yeah.
And it just like, it sticks. But we literally been together since we were 2. We don't fight. It'll be very like every so often that we'll fight with each other. We don't fight. Do. No, but we really don't fight though.
He can tell when my mood is fucked up, or I can tell when his mood is fucked up. So we'll distance each other because I feel like we love each other so much that we would hate to get into a situation where we like have a big falling. Okay, so these are the strawberries that I cut up, and then you just like sprinkle some sugar on it, and then you just mix it all up. Like it kind of make like some type of sauce, juice actually.
They said if you don't clean your shrimp, you dirty. Ooh, they look too good. Wait till I put my butter on there. Look at that, y'all.
They said we seen that before.
Oh, you can either put regular butter on top of your cornbread, or you can put sweet cream butter. Look at this. This look too good. Sit that right on top and let that melt and drip down. Ms. Lemonade just better give.
Cause you ain't finna talk about my shit.
I'm very parched over here.
All right, well, give us 5 more minutes. This gonna be good with Casamigos.
The dry stomach's gonna be hurting.
You can't wait to taste it. He's so mad that it ain't done yet.
Okay, I'm getting ready to start my macaroni and cheese sauce. Some people use egg and carnation milk. I'm gonna use a little heavy cream. I'm gonna use a little bit of both, actually. Their own cheese sauce.
Voila!
You might need a lemonade stand.
I might need a lemonade stand.
How much you selling your lemonade for?
We only sell larges.
So how much is a large?
$13.50.
Who got quarters on them? It gotta be a flat. It gotta be like a flat number. I'm not gonna come to your stand with $13.50.
Yeah, you're gonna come to my stand with a 20.
Cheers.
What it tastes like? You need to stop. What? Wait, y'all must.
It's like.
Let me see.
It's cute, but me, I would add a little more sugar. I'm still tasting the lemony, and that's what I hate about lemonade. Lemonade be so sour. You like it?
She like it.
I don't like lemonade too sweet, so.
And I hate lemonade bitter.
Bitter?
That's how it's supposed to be.
I'm gonna have to sprinkle some sugar on mine.
Please. Okay, I'm gonna season this shrimp.
Okay. Ooh, I need water. Okay, so what type of seasons I'm gonna use? Slap your mama. A little pepper.
For what? What are you using it for?
This is for the cheese sauce. A little paprika. A little salt and pepper.
I like my shrimp to like have a flavor to it. Sometimes I try to over season. I just want to taste something.
So these are the cheeses that I'm using today in my macaroni and cheese. I'm not gonna use, Another thing with me, I don't like to use too much cheese.
They say if your cat don't make these noises, then you. Just last week, he wore a wig, a mannequin head.
And where's that right now? Under the cabinet. That was gonna be my new hobby, learning how to do hair. Please talk about it. Let me let the people see.
He's gonna be so happy to do onions now.
Ooh, yeah, I ain't got this at home. I use a little garlic too. Did you use garlic? You use no garlic on your shrimp?
No.
How you not? Who doesn't use garlic?
Boy, you use garlic on everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna use garlic on the steak too.
Right, that's fine, but the shrimp don't need it. And then rub it in when you put all your seasonings in. Help you out. I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna fuck her up. Teaspoon of garlic.
Look, he went and got a whole nother dish.
2 new ones too. I really can't help it.
That is horrible.
Don't just worry about the after results.
In other words, it looks nasty.
There's always a bitch hating on me. Why they gotta hate on me?
And he'll be asking me, Nykerra, where's this? It's like, leave me alone.
And you be knowing exactly where it is. All right, guys. So we are just about done cooking. I gotta go.
That's why he over here trying to wrap things up. He don't even want to talk no more, record no more. Because he.
This video is sponsored by Zillion.
You cannot put it in.
So this is what she was talking about.
You should have never put it out the kitchen.
It's a cabinet, bitch. Why y'all hating?
There's so many closets in this house. He has that underneath the kitchen. Like, I don't be liking too much stuff on my broccoli. Let that do what it do.
Our meals.
Let me see.
I'm finna warm mine up. She gonna eat hers cold.
Bitch, I'm tired. You think I care about heating food up now?
What's he giving?
Okay. It's good. Now let me taste the steak though. No, it's good. We better together than apart. Okay, we could cook dinner together. It's good, huh? Let's cheers. Cheers to our first YouTube video together. And just being consistent on both of our channels. Growing our channels, yeah.
I'm gonna need a toothpick after this. Thank you for watching. Carisha, please.
What?
No, closing out. Y'all get it.
We
enjoy them,
We
yeah.
hungry.
But until next time.